It looks like we have a customer. It is my second day in this slime shop. This person wants a pink slime. Okay. What slime? Slime type and that's what we call them. I don't know. What is that? Oh, okay. I want big slime with whatever add-ins you want. Smiley face. No. See you. Sorry, I was moving my hair. So, she or he wanted a big slime an activator. And you got big slime. What the heck is this? Nah, I don't want that. Pink. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh. Glitter. Pink. What does it say? Oh, we can add whatever add-ins I want. So, I think I want some cute fries with it. That's a cute fry. That's not how much fries I put in there, but okay. Daily mission complete. Create a slime for your customer. Oh, yes. I could get used to this. Playing with my customers' slime. Look how beautiful. Look how cute the... What is this? Bro, I don't want your ad. I don't want your stuff. Bro. Mission complete. Please look. I'm going. I need. Why does not have anything? I don't have enough apps. What the heck? No. What the heck? Why do I have that on my... No. I won't be dealing with this today. Is there a slime? Did I even get it? Let's see if I didn't even get it. Okay, don't look at this. This is all the things that I have saved. Okay. I don't have it. Okay, I just gotta get her the... What happened to Nezuko? Girl, what happened to you? Gosh. Oh, I didn't get to read it out, but okay. Loading. Butterfly. Oh my gosh. It's a butterfly. Oh my god. Oh, I just killed the butterfly. Oh, what the heck is... What kind of hand is that? What? Okay. Let me just go back to the slime. Send her the gift with the pink and the pink and Disney. She said, oh my God, I love you, $2,000. And I said, great. Okay. Okay. What is this? What happened to that? Okay. We did it.